Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2017 GLA 250 4MATIC. This one's certified pre-owned. It has a lunar blue metallic exterior. Under the hood's a 2-liter 4-cylinder pushing out 208 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. For wheels, we've got 18-inch 5-spoke wheels. Tires are in good condition. Our interior is a crystal gray MB text interior. Panorama sunroof. Coming around back, we've got our GLA 250 4MATIC badging. A power lift gate, clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. Coming alongside here, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you blind spot assist, keyless entry, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, power windows. Hopping in here, we have our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. Also has smartphone integration, which gives you Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Let's go ahead and start it up here. A rear view backup camera, a satin brown poplar wood trim, our radio, heated seats, dual climate controls, our cup holders. This vehicle has 41,680 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLA, check out feldmanimports.com.